good start. 2-1 scoring. Ibigay mo yung iwa.
Ibigay ka ako.
Ayaw mo. That's around some students listen. Sige, I have to see a therapist. Ayaw mo, I have to see a therapist.
Okay, yeah, but I don't want to do this too. And I'm trying to crawl into the table and do that.
And you know what?